What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just taking a night ride, going in the city again. We're in the city, the club district, Yonking, Toronto. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow the Instagram, Everything Factory.
He's my Uber driver, so I'm like, oh, I gotta go.
Yeah.
How much was your tire? The back?
It's probably like $300.
Did you just say 300?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Why? What do you want it to be?
300?
Yeah, that's... It's not cheap stuff. Well, you want to get a bike?
No, I have a Harley Davidson.
Oh.
I'm actually trying to sell it.
Oh.
My father is like a professional spray painter.
Yeah.
Okay, gotta go.
All right.
Do you have any type of card?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. Oh, perfect. Jesus. Do you have any type of card or anything?
No.
No? Shit.
Why?
I'm not gonna lie, your paint job is shit.
Yeah?
Bruh.
Yeah.
It's just black.
For real.
It's basic. It's black. Just all black.
Pardon?
It's just all black.
No, I know that, but is that something that you're into? Just like straight blocked out?
Yeah. It's cool. I get compliments.
I like a sports bike.
Yeah.
My father has like a Harley Davidson. He passed it on to me, and I'm like, I'm too small. Like I can't deal with that.
Yeah.
And it's heavy as fuck. But he's a really good artist. Okay. You really don't have like an Instagram or anything like that?
Yeah, I mean, I do, but...
You're like, oh, fuck that. I don't want to fucking share this. Alright, well.
Alright, nice meeting you.
I like your bike.
Yeah, thanks, man.
I see your camera. You ready?
What do you know?